Thank you so much. I want all of your great attention. We have a lot to get to in a short time. We have great announcements ready to begin. I am Ms. IB teacher, and I will be leading us today. And Ms. Gallardo, at the moment she will join us, she has the marketing. Okay, so we will begin right now with our announcements.
Good morning, parents. I'm Ms. Gallardo. And dear students, in this class. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge to allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. El juramento de Texas. El juramento de lealtad a ti, Texas, unos a Jehová Dios, uno e indivisible. Please remain standing for the moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Complete quiet so that everyone can hear, because this is an exciting announcement. We'd like everyone to join us tonight for the Mac High Vertical Team Elementary Spirit Night. It will be at Mac High versus Palmview, and the kickoff is at 7:30 p.m. tonight at the Callan Veterans Memorial Stadium. So if you go wearing your red shirt, which I see a lot of you wearing, you get free admission into the game, okay? So hopefully we see a lot of you here tonight. Good morning, boys and girls.
All right, guys. We also want to shout out. Remember, guys, when we highlight students on Fridays on your best audience behavior, you're focused, you're attentive, you're listening, because one of these days you might be highlighted too. We want to shout out. Seasons are starting, so we want to shout out our football and volleyball teams. So let's start off with the football team up on the top right corner. If you're in the football team, come on up, guys. Come on up. And you guys, just stand over here to your right. Big football team, we got to your left. Volleyball. Awesome. And then the green team. Also volleyball, the green team. Y'all come on up. And y'all can just gather right here in the middle. We can have the blue team scoot down a little bit. Green team. We didn't recognize it. AR grade level summaries first. We'll start with first grade. 196 points, 152,000 words. Where's Mr. Davis' class? Put your hands in the air. 105 points, 91,000 words read in 2 weeks. Second grade, 409 points total, 1,271,000 words. Where's Mr. Davis' class? 196 points, 818,000 points. Wow. Third grade, 209 points. Where is Lopez's class? 116 points. But Miss Hernandez's class had 363,000 words. Raise your hands. Fourth grade, 534 points. Fifth grade, 381 points, 2,246,000 words. Where is Kimmy's class? Leon had 113 points, 617,000 words read. Excellent, great job. But it's very important to get points. All right, guys. Very important to get points. More important, all those words read. But even more important is, are you comprehending? Are you understanding what you're reading? Because that's the whole point to reading, right? Comprehending. These classes here had, as an average, 90% or higher on their test, on their AR test. So Miss Gutierrez's second grade, wave your hands in the air. Miss Lopez's third grade, 91%. Miss Ramirez's fifth grade class at 90%. Wave your hands in the air, guys. And then the last one, everybody can participate. If your class is not up here, you need to ask, was it me that didn't test? Was it me that didn't participate? First grade, Gutierrez and Mena, wave your hands in the air. Second grade, Craig, Gutierrez and Munoz. Third grade, Miss Hernandez. Fourth grade, Miss Casillas. Fifth grade, Miss Ramirez. So this is one where everybody's name can be up here. Everybody's name can be up here, guys. All right, let's move on to. Well, we have our IB scholars. We have our IB scholars, and guess who won pairing? Y'all can read it. Who won pairing, guys? Mr. Castillo! Come on out, principal! Mr. Castillo exemplifies the IB attribute of principal. Listen up, guys. He's principled, just like you guys are principled, sitting quietly listening. Listen up, Mr. Castillo and everybody else. He exemplifies the IB attribute of principle because he consistently demonstrates honesty, integrity, and fairness in everything he does. He ensures that all students are included in every activity, including field trips, showing his commitment to equity and inclusion. Mr. Castillo always chooses to do the right thing, even when it's not easy. Modeling ethical behavior and responsibility for both students and staff. His compassion and dependability make him a true role model who inspires others to act with the same respect and integrity. Preparing others. She truly cares about her students and consistently goes above and beyond to support all of our pioneers. Whenever she notices a student struggling, she's quick to find creative and heartfelt ways to help them feel supported and encouraged. Mrs. Nixon's kindness and willingness to lend a helping hand to both students and staff make her a shining example of what it means to be caring in our school community. Congratulations, Ms. Nixon. Let's give her another round of applause as she takes her seat. And now it's time for birthdays, guys. Miss Dimple de cumpleaños. Bronny Bryant, October 13th, pre-K with Miss Martinez. Come on up, Bronny. Not here, go ahead. Brianna Leo, October 13th.
Please stand and join us.
Alright, guys, favorite song. Everybody knows the chicken dance. Parents in the back, y'all join us too. Another round of applause for Miss Rios' fourth grade class. Alright guys. Okay, now we have our biggest school song. With a lot of pride, guys. Renee is gonna lead us off. Y'all join her singing with a lot of school pride. Awesome. Thank you, Renee. Okay, guys, our affirmation, repeat after me. I am principal. And I am kind. I strive to be better every day. To make our world a better place. Okay, now I say, guys, I say to you, make it a great day or not. Okay, girls, let's do our Pioneer Pride chant on 3, but then remember, we're practicing going from being really excited and cheering all the way to paying attention. Ready? 1, 2, and 3.